Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a copper golem. In this version I'm using is 25W31A snapshot. So let's go into the copper golem and shells, bold, and I'll show you how to make the copper golem. So what I'm going to do is you need a copper wax block of copper. So Bridget did that there. So you place the copper wax block. Can't speak. Wax block of copper, and then you put the carved pumpkin. It has to have the face on it. And you make it like that. So you just click it like that. So do that again, and then you do that. That's how you make a copper golem. With the other ones as well. Just do that. So I'm going to show you guys quickly. Let's just show you guys over here. So do that, and then that one. So the same with these ones, so you just do that, that, and that. So that's how you do it. With all the other ones, it has to be waxed. So yeah, it's gonna be easy for a while. So let's just move over here, and I'll show you once again. That way, the wax copper, and then that. So that's how you make it. I've seen loads of people search it up and everything, and I thought I'll do a video on it. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and make sure to hit the bell as well, so you get notified when I upload, and make sure to leave a like because it helps people find my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys, peace out, and Karen commenting.